Hi guys, and welcome to this week's short video tutorial. This will be board number 6 from on the section on how to checkmate using a pawn that has attacked the enemy's bottom rank. So without further ado, let us begin our short analysis. Red would have one cannon, one horse, one chariot, 3 pawns, a single elephant guard. Black would have 2 chariots, 1 horse, a pawn that crossed the river. Altogether 3 pawns, a full guard. Now, in this example, it was said that red should go first. Unfortunately, this puzzle is a little bit flawed. But nevertheless, let us see what the author had in mind. First of all, red will deliver a check with r2 plus 6, forcing the king to retreat. There's no problem with this move. And the second move would be to play r9 plus 3, but in actual fact, black could have simply captured the chariot, and although it would still be too early to say to determine the outcome of the game, but it was more or less be black would have the advantage with the pawn. But in the book, c9 plus 3 was given, and this would deliver a check. The only legal move would be to play e3 plus 1, and red will continue with h9 plus 8, moving to the 8th file instead of capturing the chariot. Now the main idea was to play h7 plus 6 to go for the the horse cannon checkmate. Now before we continue, this would be another example of the rank checkmate, whereby red will control the throat rank with this chariot, and he would use the cannon and horse to attack the bottom rank, and this would be similar to one of the earlier examples in this section. However, in the book, h3 minus 2 was played, but in actual fact, a much better move would be to place r7 equals to 4 to sacrifice the chariot, because if h3 equals to 2 were played, and this would be what the authors were trying to teach, red will go for checkmate. The only viable move would be to retreat the chariot, and although this would appear to be a chariot fork, but black would deliver a checkmate with this double check. By retreating the horse to the pale corner position, the horse will now be delivering a check, and so will the cannon be delivering a check simultaneously. So this would be in effect a double check, leading to a checkmate. So this was what the book was trying to say, but in actual fact, black could have played h7 plus 8. Black should have played r7 plus 4, so that when a check was delivered, he could sacrifice, and the probability or the possibility of h7 minus 6 would now be negligible. Cannot happen, and black would live to see another day, and this would be a simple trade on material, and black would still have an advantage with the pawns. So unfortunately, this was a flawed example, but nevertheless, the idea or the concept of a double check leading to a checkmate is shown here, and the importance of controlling the bottom rank and the third rank, as is the main theme of this section, is demonstrated again. And h9 plus 8 is a good idea, but black defended wrongly. r7 equals to 4 should have been played. And again, for beginners, this is a double check leading to a checkmate, because the horse is now delivering a check together simultaneously with the cannon. The king cannot move because this throat rank has been covered by the red chariot. So this would in fact be a win for red. So despite its flaws, this is a good example teaching the beginner the concept of a double check leading to a checkmate. Thank you, and if you like the work I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel.